Hey, yo, Tyrell. Fuck a photo. We're filming this shit, man.
Oh, have mercy. 21st birthday, buy her a drink.
Jim, I'm like, oh, that's a bodybuilder. I thought it was a dolphin. Okay. How did you get in? You must be so slippery.
Some shit to me. Throw up in this motherfucking ass motherfucking saltine ass motherfucking pants. Soon the white man come back.
Because a dick and a gun are very similar. If somebody pulled out either one right now, we'd all be like, whoa, is that meant for me? What the hell? Jesus Christ. Don't point it at me. Because a dick and a gun are very similar. They're both pointy. They shoot things that come in different sizes. You get a pistol or a shotgun. I'm circumcised, so I'm sawed off. But hey, thank God dicks are automatic. They're not like an AK-47, you know? They're more like a musket. It takes a little work to get that thing going.
Back to example, interior design. Guys, watch out, you can't find
Fun out. I've learned that.
God damn.
He tweeted out 100 million sharks.
God damn, you going? God damn. Ain't no saw that bad. Ain't no saw that bad.
They want to show division. That's what's hot right now.
So you're justifying in your head. You're like, maybe they towed it. And smashed all my windows out and threw my tapes in the street.
God,
Now it's gone. But I have a theory on the guy who stole my car. I think that it's terrorist.
is he serious? He just ran the fuck out of that. Oh my God.
We don't take TVs like that anymore. But they did take it later that night when they were closed. Just dropped it right in that donation box.
Shit.
Old lady. It's like foot in a cup.
Damn, but look at that there. Run the fuck out of that, didn't you?
So you'll let me drive back?
Drive back what? To the thing?
Yeah.
If you want.
I got you $5. Wait, I don't know. I think I lost my money. At this point, just take it out, Nick money. My lord, where's the receipt thingy?
On the side?
Ooh.
Well, press one and see what it do. I mean, yeah. Oh, no, man, that's too far. Okay. Go see what you did again.
Oh, okay, we good.
Your feet?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
I think.
But that's the brake. What about the gas pedal?
That feels uncomfortable. We good.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, what?
Where? Okay. That's something I forgot. That I need to be in the road for.
So you can't pull out till you what?
I can't see. Okay, I can see.
Speed limit on that road?
35 or something like that.
No. 35 going back into town. 35, 30. pressing gas?
Yeah.
Speed limit on 30.
Oh.
You gotta remember, this is a bigger vehicle.
So, cut my turn?
Huh? What I'm saying, like, if you had to brake, take you longer to stop.
Oh.
Like, gonna stop on a dime.
Oh, okay.
You know which way you going, right?
Drake?
Okay. Good distance. If you can't read they tag, you're too close. If you can't see they bumper.
Okay, so I go straight and then I'll take that curve and then I'll turn.
Left.
Or I don't necessarily have to do that. Like, I can go to that light.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your message came through.
Wow.
The WYA, hello.
I didn't know which one I was texting because I got your iCloud one that say Godfather and then the other one is say there's something else.
You gonna get over? For the truck get you?
Yep.
What kind of stop was that?
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
What? Why they got their blink on?
Thought they were turning in. Could be turning in now. That's a real early blinker. Nine times out of 10, you gonna get this light next. Turn this light all the way. Go first. Once they get done with the other track. You ever come this way, get in this line.
Why?
Why? And you got a better chance of like going instead of sitting at the light.
Oh.
See? The car across the street was already sitting there waiting. Good lane choice. Why is that?
Because it's the closest thing. And it's the lane I'm supposed to be in. Right?
Yeah, but what's gonna happen once you cross it over the bridge? What
Or
happens?
just to the side.
Right. Otherwise, you're gonna be going around like you're going to a skate park. And you would have to be trying to get over with cars coming up behind you or beside you. What road is this?
Lafayette Parkway?
No,
I don't know.
Lafayette Park.
Oh, no. I actually don't know what road this is. West Road?
Morgan Street.
Where you see that at?
On that light.
What, like?
To your left.
Oh, I didn't know that. I don't know the streets.
You won't hit Watch Road until past the bridge. They said supposed to be some more bad weather.
Tomorrow? Oh, tomorrow.
Today?
Oh. Well, it's supposed to come in today. Like later.
Yeah. What's the color of the light?
Green.
You gotta slow down, you got somebody in the road.
Oh.
That light is blinking, but it's what?
Red.
So you still gotta do what?
Stop.
Yeah.
They didn't stop.
Can't do what they do.
I can do that.
Just don't make it no happen. Because yellow is what caution. You could have yielded like that.
Oh.
With red, you still gotta stop if it's blinking.
What the world?
Make sure when you're doing that, you get all the way, because you can slice the tire.
Oh.
Because that's metal.
Why you didn't go up? Why I don't go over it?
Huh?
Why I don't go over it? What'll happen?
You can go over it, but if you're going to try
Then
to
why
avoid
do you prefer to go around it?
I'm saying if you're going to go around it, avoid it the whole way.
Oh.
You still got the end of it, which is a sharp edge.
I guess I would just go to, like... Oh, the light's fixed.
It was blinking early or out?
Hmm?
It was blinking early or out? Oh. So what you do with a light that's out?
It treated like a four-way. That's what my mama said. I don't know.
Yeah. You better know.
Oh, snap.
Try to avoid pothole.
That was a pothole.
Deep enough.
Oh. probably the smoothest out I ever drove.
Really is. And you're not in a car.
Maybe it's the cars. Maybe I should slow down. This looks funny. Because I can't see the road.
No, you can see the road. You can't see the...
It's right here. It's faded.
Oh, yeah. Heavily. There won't be no track meets out there no time. So.
We're supposed to have one next Thursday.
You might well go up.
What you mean up?
All the way.
Yeah.
Past the orange cone.
Uh-huh.
You go straight down. It's a way to turn it down now. Keep going. What, that fire hydrant? Turn in right there. They one that got busted out too. In that van.
Have we been this way before?
No, I didn't even know this was open like that. We only went in the parking lot. And then you just take that right. I mean, this is a parking lot, so you gotta watch for pedestrians.
They better move. You hear me go right there?
It don't matter. Just don't hit nobody vehicle.
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you.
Ooh-wee. Ooh, that's gonna be your ass. That was gonna be your ass.
Be so funny.
You ran the
I
fuck
knew
out
it
of
was
that.
going to be a box